And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
So you want to put somebody else in the car with you over here? Can we get over there? It ain't too bad, just a couple 6x9s.
Yeah, is it? Yeah, they ain't happy about that. Appreciate it, bro. You get that right there, on bottom there. You on social media anywhere? Bro, what can I follow you on Facebook?
Just Facebook, Ricardo Cologne. I do my government name. None of that Rick, low key.
Hey,
you won't catch me.
Find you where they need to find you at.
That's your.
That's my car right there. Everything will be on the thing, on the site. Appreciate it, bro.
Down, man. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you, man.
As I look in the mirror, take these fucking selfies.
Still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, y'all appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.